Hey guys, how to download Alight Motion on PC or laptop? Want to use Alight Motion on your PC but can't find the right download method? Don't worry, most people get confused. In this video, I'll show you the safe and step-by-step way to download Alight Motion on your PC so you can edit videos smoothly. Let's get started. Open web browser in your laptop and search Bluestacks, link in description. Open the Bluestacks website, click the first website, and you see the download, click on it. After that, and again click the download Bluestacks. And Bluestacks downloading will start it, please wait. Downloading is completed to click the show folder. And this is Bluestacks setup, install from here. My laptop is already installed. And then open the Bluestacks and search for Alight Motion. And then click the Alight Motion. And down click the install from Google Play. And then click the install. Installation will start it. And that's it. Now you've successfully downloaded Alight Motion on your PC and you're ready to start editing. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more easy editing and tech guides. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.